everyone. Today is going to be a little fun. I'm going to share with you 5 wacky beauty secrets that some people actually swear by. And actually, a couple of them you might even cringe. Let's dive in, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so the first beauty secret that I think is wacky is applying urine or drinking urine. So for applying urine topically, some people in the holistic world swear that it will help exfoliate your skin, but it has to be, of course, your own urine because it's supposed to have disinfecting properties. Now, I've tried it to put it to the test and I saw absolutely nothing. Now, other people have actually drank their urine to help with autoimmune issues or just to help heal some type of ailment, because some naturopaths and homeopathic practitioners tell their patients to drink their urine. As I said, I tried to do that on my skin. I didn't really see a difference, but of course, the more water you drink, the clearer your urine is, and that is better for that purpose, but I wasn't that impressed. So the second wacky beauty hack is using Preparation H on your eye bags. Now, some people swear that it helps to reduce wrinkles and even puffiness, but here's the caveat. Now, the Preparation H that apparently has those properties to help reduce wrinkles, it contains a specific ingredient . So, as an esthetician, unless you're a resident of Canada, I'm gonna say you might wanna skip the hemorrhoid cream. All right, let's get into the third wacky beauty hack, and that is, drum roll please, Vagisil for makeup primer. Yep, the anti-itch cream for your hoo-ha. In my opinion, I think I'm good. I'll just go to my Sephora and just get a regular makeup primer. The next wacky beauty hack is bird turd. That's right, bird poop. But I'm not talking about just any bird poop. No, not some low-level pigeon poop that you'd find on a park bench in Manhattan. Of course not. I'm talking about posh poop, which is the droppings of a nightingale. And apparently there are purported benefits of the droppings of a nightingale because it has brightening effects. And this is a old Japanese ritual that are actually used in some high-end spas. Now, would I try it? I think I would, probably out of sheer curiosity. Last wacky beauty hack is fish cum. That's right, the sperm of salmon. Now, as an esthetician, I have heard that caviar utilized in skincare formulas and facials can yield wonderful results in the skin. So maybe the sperm of salmon is not too far off. But apparently the cum of fish, like salmon, has beautiful anti-aging benefits. So would you try it? Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think.